Dear Heavenly Father, you are so gracious and kind, and I just want to thank you for blessing Carol and Mandy with this beautiful setting to celebrate their commitment to marriage.
Amidst this setting, you can see the passing of time and appreciate the many generations that helped shape this land that we gathered upon today. And so it is that Carol and Amanda present themselves to be married today, surrounded by the people they love the most. Amanda, as you place this ring on Carol's finger, repeat these words after me.
Everything's created twice. And what I mean by that is, at one point, this was someone's imagination to create this estate, and now it's an estate. So think about your marriage and create the marriage that you want, and it will become that marriage.
I pray that the love they share today will only grow stronger, and I ask that you will protect them and comfort them in times of need. Be with them, Lord, as they set out to find their way in the world. Let them be a blessing to their family, their friends, and their home be a place of peace, comfort, and joy. Carol, I would just like to tell you that you are the man that I prayed for my daughter to marry, and I am so grateful for you, and I love you so much.
You are the man that we talked about when we were kids of, when I grow up, I want a man like this, or this is the husband I want. So thank you so much for strengthening yourself as a person and being that man, because it means a lot to me that my sister is able to have you in her life.
The first thing I remember is Mandy walking into our Studio One class at school, and it only probably took you 5-10 minutes to bring Carol up, and it was, oh, this is my man, and this is how we met. And I was just in awe of the two of you together and was absolutely amazed with the love. Sorry.
Of course, I gotta take a few minutes and talk about my wonderful sister. Thank you so much for just being such an amazing person, such an amazing sister, and I know this man is very, very blessed to have you, and just treasure her forever. I know you already do, but she is a treasure. She really is, inside and out.
I, Carol, take thee, Amanda,
To be my wedded wife,
to be my wedded wife,
to have and hold,
to have and hold,
from this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse,
Better for worse.
for richer, for poor,
for richer or for poor,
in sickness and health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and cherish,
to love and cherish.
till death do us apart.
Till death do us apart.
You may now kiss the bride.
Thank you, Mandy, for making me the man that I am over the last 8 years. For those of you that are fortunate enough to have known us as a couple for, the last any amount of time, really, year, 3 years, 5 years, 8 years, you'll notice that both of us have grown a lot, and we've come a really long way. We're completely different people than we were when we first met.
today you take a commitment together. Stick with overcoming your differences, stick with forgiving each other's mistakes, and stick with having a good time together.
One more thing. So you'll find you can be right or you can have peace. Okay?
Thank you to everybody for being able to make it out. I know it wasn't easy, and we appreciate every single person that was able to make it out here. Thank you. Na zdrowie. Is that okay?